In the world of Indian cricket, few names shine as brightly in the junior circuit as Retinder Singh Sodhi. A true all-rounder, a dynamic leader, and a proud son of Patiala. He began turning heads at a very young age. At just 15, he led the Indian U15 team to World Cup glory at the iconic Lord's Cricket Ground, delivering a match-winning 82 not out and clinching 3 vital wickets. That was just the beginning. Soon, he took on the mantle of vice-captain for the Indian U19 team and lifted the ICC Under-19 World Cup in 2000. He didn't just lead, he dominated, finishing as the highest wicket-taker of the tournament and proving that leadership and performance go hand in hand. By the age of 16, he had already debuted in first-class cricket and shortly after wore the Indian jersey in ODIs. A man of many milestones, he recorded centuries, wickets and match-winning spells throughout his domestic career. In 69 first-class matches, he scored over 3,600 runs and took more than 100 wickets, an incredible achievement for any cricketer. But Retinder's story doesn't end on the field. Today, he serves Indian cricket as a respected BCCI match referee, mentor, and cricket analyst, sharing wisdom drawn from years of experience and passion for the game. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a story of runs and wickets. It's a story of dedication, discipline, and a lifelong devotion to cricket. Presenting Mr. Retinder Singh Sodhi, a true champion on and off the field.
तो now वीरू had to come in and वीरू was coughing. 101 बुखार था तो आ रहा है तो मैं यूवी हरभजन उसके पास जाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं वीरू क्यों पंगा ले रहा है ना you should go back and rest and let us win the game. He came, he was coughing. So बज्जू ने बॉल डाला तो पहला बॉल वो he was beaten all through. तो हमें लगा 2-3 बॉल का खेलना है इसने आउट हो जाना है. तो he was coughing, he played the ball and hit a huge 6. तो बज्जू ने कहा ये खांसी कर रहा है ये छक्का कैसे मार दिया इसने. And then after 2 balls again he coughed badly. He stepped out Harbhajan on a square turner again 6. अब हमें ऐसा लग रहा था जब वो ज़्यादा खांसेगा ना तो उतना लंबा छक्का मारेगा. And that story, that day, he got 175 on that turner and being unwell, struggling with his health. और ऐसा हो गया था कि अब जितना लंबा खांसेगा तो छक्के जाने ही जाने हैं. So that shows कि what mental toughness is all about. It's not about technique, it's not about the power, it's about what you are thinking in the mind. तो उस दिन, despite of health issues, he got those runs. We just scampered home by 2 runs, took the lead. Veeru out हो गया था, नेहरा जी आए वो out हो गए. But that is testimony to the fact that if you're mentally tough, तो चीजें होती हैं. And I'm sure that you guys will face similar situations, adverse situations. But it's very important to come out as winners, being strong here. I think it's all here.